Hello everyone, welcome to Shafi Tuts, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your profile picture in Facebook. So I'm going to open Google Chrome. You can use any browser you want, then go to Facebook, or you can type here facebook.com. Then you can see this is the home page of Facebook. I recently created this account, that's why it's empty now. So now what you need to do, you have to click here the account, simply click on that, and you can click your name. Okay, you can see this is my name, so you have to click on your name, and after that you can see the camera icon. Okay, so simply click on camera icon. So once you click on that, then here you'll see three options: upload photo, create an avatar profile picture, or add frame. Upload photo, it means if you click on that, then you will see your PC location. So if you want to upload a picture from your PC, then you have to choose a picture. So I'm going to choose, okay, okay, I'm going to download a picture, like, okay, take picture, something like that on internet, and then I'm going to find a picture, okay, like this. So save, I choose the location PC. Now upload photo, then I have to go desktop, and you can see the picture. So now you can adjust your photo, and after that save. So it takes a few moments. Okay, now you can see this is just successfully added. So okay friend, today's Norman, thank you for watching.